just want to show y'all what Dave does when we go into a Disney parking lot. He gets so excited.
I'm ready to party, girl. Yes.
Welcome back to our channel, Purposely Rerouted, where we take you along for whatever we're doing in Florida. If you're new here, my name's Tiffany.
I am David.
And tonight we're taking you to Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party.
So ho 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 ho, let's go 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 go.
In December, they play my favorite song.
Snowing!
Snow! It's snoping! It's snoping up in this joint!
The holiday, counting days under your hair. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas now. I know you may suffer light, but together we're alright. You know.
We just got into the party and we got our Christmas ornaments. I have mine upside down. Cute.
Big yay! Big hug. Perfect.
Drive alone in December rain. They play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck.
Ooh, let me tell you, this dance party was pumping and Timon was breaking it down, so voiceovers are necessary during this spot. So this is at Cosmic Rays. This is some of the specialty party food that we got. This is a roast beef melt, and I got it with fries. Yes, I mixed together mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard together for my fries. Don't knock it, it's delicious. The sandwich was absolutely delicious. The beef was really, really tender. It had some gravy on there, and it did come with a horseradish sauce, and it had some cheddar cheese. I loved it. It was very, very delicious. Of course, we did find the Donald Duck sipper. We were actually looking for this at Jollywood Nights and couldn't find it, but we found it in Magic Kingdom. Dave went with the turkey burger, which comes with dressing on the top, and it normally comes with some cranberry chutney, but he got it without it. He mixes together ketchup and mustard for his fries. Maybe he's a little bit normal than me. He did really like his sandwich, although it was a little dry. It was on the dry side, and that's probably because the cranberry chutney is meant to kind of give it a little bit of moistness, but he did enjoy it, just a little dry. But I really enjoyed mine. It was absolutely delicious. I would get that time and time again. We got our first hot chocolate and cookies of the night. I'm not sure. It says this is a classic chocolate chip cookie.
I'm not being shy, I'm eating my cookies. They're cold though. I guess I could even refrigerate this so they don't melt.
So we just got done eating at the Cosmic Rays Starlight Cafe. We got some specialty items. I'll have to do voiceovers for it because it was very loud in there because they had a dance party and Timon was dancing and Doc McStuffins came out and danced too. We're trying to figure out what we want to do. We were going to ride Seven Dwarfs. It was 30 minutes, but now it's jumped up to 65.
Yeah, in a matter of 10 minutes it jumped up 35 minutes.
Yeah, and then we thought about riding Space Mountain, but it's 40 minutes. So I think we're gonna go over to Haunted Mansion so that we can see the new Hatbox Ghost.
Yeah, Haunted Mansion, yeah. And then maybe Runaway Trains.
Yeah. And there is a ham fried pie that I wanted to try at Friar's Nook, but I'm kind of full from my sandwich that I just ate, so maybe we'll get that later if we have time. If not, I'll just skip it.
Did you say cow pie or ham pie?
It's a ham and cheese fried pie.
Oh, okay.
Not a
Gotcha.
cow pie.
Oh, okay. My bad.
We're on our second cookie of the night. Dave is very excited about this one because it is a red velvet cookie, and red velvet is his favorite.
It is, in case anyone wants to make me any type of cookies or cake, red velvet. Just saying.
And he said if these are good, he might go get him another one.
I'm going to get me another one.
Yeah, that's right, folks. We're going to ride It's a Small World because we have not ridden this ride since we moved.
Because why not?
Because why not? It's 5 minutes.
And I haven't ridden this since I was like, I don't know, probably 11 or 10 when I was made to ride it.
Yeah, I think I was like 8 or 9. It is a small world after all. Alright, now that we got sidetracked by It's a Small World, now we actually are going to go on Haunted Mansion.
I'm excited about this.
We're gonna go get another cookie. And our third cookie of the night is a snickerdoodle.
I like snickerdoodles too. I like all cookies.
I don't think we're gonna be able to catch any of the special shows that they have tonight, some of the new ones, because we're running out of time. So next we're gonna go ride the fastest ride in the wilderness. Then we're gonna stake out a spot for the fireworks. And then we're gonna stake out a spot for the parade.
Yep.
And then it'll probably be closing then. With these after hours events, you always think that you have all this time to do all this stuff, and no, you don't. You don't. You have to prioritize. You can meet Santa Claus back here in Frontierland.
It's behind Liberty Tree Tavern.
Yeah. He's back there in that gazebo. Dave got another cookie. I don't know if this is his final cookie of the night. I think I'm cookied out, but
I've already eaten one, so I got 2 of these.
what kind of
This is
cookie is that?
Buttercream ginger bread.
And they were-
Buttercream gingerbread.
And they were also giving out eggnog at that location.
Were they? They didn't offer me none.
But you don't like eggnog anyway.
Spiked, I do.
But theirs isn't spiked.
It might be spiked after I get a hold of it.
Oh Lord. What'd you get?
It's an orange cream mess.
Orange cream.
It's orange cream with gingerbread crumbles and whipped cream.
Pirates. We just got done watching the parade. We have, I think, 30 minutes left until the park closes, so we're gonna hop on what we can hop on. It's pretty much a walk-on.
Not lest they be laying golden eggs.
Sign says Santa, please stop here. Here we go, a wassailing.
Wow! Did you hear that high C from that zebra? Wait, the beautiful and effervescent, you gotta stop, I swear. Get it back, man!
And I think one of the things I love the most is when can you come to Magic Kingdom and see snow on Main Street?
It's snoping.
Well, we are ending our night here at Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party and getting ready to head to the front of the park to go find our car and go home.
And we are beat. I am
Yes.
super soupity duper tired.
Me too. But we had an awesome time. We got to see the parade, we got to see the fireworks, we got to eat some specialty food, try some cookies.
Oh yeah, and ride quite a few rides. And we got to do 2 photo ops. So we really got a lot done tonight.
Yes, we did.
I think it was probably one of the most productive after-hour events we've done thus far.
Yes, I agree. We always have to do Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party every year. I don't really feel like it's Christmas in Florida unless we do it, and I'm glad we got to do it this year. And I'm glad we got to bring you guys along.
Yep.
So as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hit the bell. It's free. Mash that bell.
And we'll see you in the next.
Later.
Next.
Later.
We'll see you in the next one.
Later.
Bye.